Everyone talks about the most famous Kali Linux tools. Nmap, Metasploit, Wireshark. These names dominate every cybersecurity discussion. But while everyone is focused on the classics, a new generation of tools has quietly emerged, bringing fresh capabilities to penetration testing, threat hunting, and security research. Some of these tools are so new that many cybersecurity enthusiasts haven't even heard of them yet. The first tool making waves among researchers is one designed to automate complex reconnaissance tasks. Instead of manually collecting information from multiple sources, it streamlines the process and helps security professionals build a clearer picture of a target environment during authorized assessments. In modern security testing, speed and accuracy are everything, and automation is becoming a major advantage. Another interesting addition focuses on cloud security. As organizations continue moving critical infrastructure into cloud environments, security professionals need better visibility into misconfigurations and exposure risks. New cloud-focused assessment tools are helping teams identify weaknesses before attackers have a chance to exploit them. A growing trend in 2026 is attack surface management. Several new Kali tools are helping researchers map internet-facing assets more efficiently than ever before. Many organizations don't even realize how many systems they have exposed online. These tools help uncover forgotten servers, development environments, and other assets that could create security risks. Artificial intelligence is also making its way into cybersecurity workflows. Some newer Kali-compatible tools use machine learning techniques to identify patterns, prioritize findings, and assist analysts during large-scale assessments. While AI isn't replacing security professionals, it is helping them process information much faster. Wireless security remains one of the most active areas of research. New wireless analysis tools are providing deeper visibility into modern communication protocols, helping researchers understand emerging technologies and identify potential weaknesses in authorized testing environments. Web application security continues evolving rapidly as well. New testing utilities are helping analysts identify modern vulnerabilities more efficiently, especially in complex applications that use APIs, microservices, and cloud-native architectures. These tools are designed to support defensive security work by highlighting weaknesses that developers can fix before deployment. Threat intelligence integration has become another major focus. Several new tools help security teams collect, organize, and correlate information from multiple sources, making it easier to detect patterns associated with cyber threats. In today's environment, understanding attacker behavior is often just as important as finding technical vulnerabilities. Container and Kubernetes security are receiving significant attention too. As more organizations adopt containerized environments, security professionals require specialized tools to evaluate configurations, permissions, and potential risks. New additions in this area are helping teams secure modern infrastructure more effectively. What makes these developments especially important is that cybersecurity itself is changing. A few years ago, many assessments focused primarily on traditional networks. Today, researchers must understand cloud platforms, APIs, containers, identity systems, automation pipelines, and artificial intelligence technologies. The tools being introduced in 2026 reflect that shift. However, it's important to remember that tools alone do not create successful security professionals. The most advanced software in the world is useless without the knowledge and experience needed to interpret results correctly. Ethical hackers spend years developing skills in networking, operating systems, web technologies, cloud environments, and security principles. That's why the best cybersecurity experts are always learning. They don't just collect tools, they understand how systems work beneath the surface. They study attack techniques, defensive strategies, and emerging technologies. Every new tool becomes valuable only when combined with strong technical knowledge. The cybersecurity landscape in 2026 is evolving faster than ever. New threats are appearing, technologies are changing, and organizations are facing increasingly complex security challenges. While most people continue talking about the same handful of famous tools, the next generation of security research is already happening quietly in the background. The professionals who stay ahead aren't necessarily the ones with the biggest tool collections. They're the ones paying attention to what's coming next. And right now, some of the most interesting innovations in Kali Linux are happening far away from the spotlight.